Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Viva's Kitchen, where so heavenly recipes are made. Thanks for returning. I appreciate you all. Today on our menu we have vegetable and chicken chow mein, and it's an amazing recipe. So please stay tuned till the end as always and be inspired. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. With my ingredients, I've got olive oil, mushroom, I've got red onion, I've got spring onion, and I've also got chicken seasoning, all purpose seasoning, minced herbs, and I have broccoli. Next, I've got green bell pepper, red bell pepper, I've got carrots, I've got celery, and my egg. Next, I have turkey broth. I've also got scotch bonnet pepper sauce for heat, and it's totally optional, yeah? And I've got salt to taste, okay? Next, lovelies, I've got my already cleaned and cut chicken fillet, and here we go, beautiful. Next, I have got my garlic and chili flakes seasoning. I've got oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, minced peppercorns, tapioca flour, minced ginger and garlic. So now in a bowl, I'm adding my chicken fillet. Next, my olive oil. Next, I'm adding my chicken seasoning, minced herbs, and all-purpose seasoning. But I'll leave some for later, okay? Lovely, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share, and I will really appreciate it. Next, I'm adding my minced peppercorns, okay, for flavor. Next, I'm adding my dark soy sauce for color and for flavor. Now, my oyster sauce, again for flavor, yeah. Now, sesame oil, and now habanero sauce for heat. Again, I'm gonna head to add my egg white. Okay, but before that, let me add my minced ginger and garlic. Here we go. Beautiful. Next, my 3-in-1 mixture of chili flakes, garlic, and sauce. And now tapioca flour for crispy effect. You can as well use cornstarch, which is commonly used. This smells so good. All done now. So let's set it aside to marinate. Alright, now in the boiling water, I'm adding salt to taste. Next, my chow mein noodles, just like so. Lovelies, I already have oil in the water, okay? This will help the noodles from sticking to each other, and it's very important. So I'll cook the noodles for only 3 minutes, and after that, drain off the hot water, add cold water instead to stop the noodles from cooking and from sticking to each other, yeah? So I've done all that, and now I'm transferring the noodles on a tray, spread them out, and I'm using my kitchen towel to dry them more. After that, I'll leave them to the sun or the air to dry quickly, okay? Next, in a bowl, I've added my dark soy sauce, next oyster sauce, next habanero sauce, next turkey broth, next tapioca flour, next sesame oil, next olive oil, next my mixed peppercorns, next my 3-in-1 garlic, chili, and salt, and now my cooking wine. I'll proceed to mix everything together until well incorporated. Now in a pan, I'm adding olive oil, next my chicken fillet, which is well marinated. I'll go ahead and fry until golden brown. Lovely so far. If you're enjoying the recipe, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, okay? To support your girl, okay? They are ready and out of the oil they go. First batch is done. We are now on the second batch. And lovelies, I love the beautiful aroma here in my kitchen, and it needs to be here. We are done frying the chicken. Next, in the oil, I'm adding my mushrooms, and I'm adding the little bit of celery from the marinated chicken. And here we go, beautiful. I'll continue to stir until well combined. 2 minutes later, I'm adding my minced ginger and garlic. Beautiful. I will proceed to stir until well combined and until they release their flavors together. 3 minutes later, I'm adding my vegetables, and here we go. Again, I'll give it a gentle stir, and now I'm coming in with my seasonings, and then I'll proceed to give it a gentle stir, just like so. Next, I'm adding my broccoli, and then I'll proceed to saute for about 2 minutes and then come in with my noodles. And this smells so good. Again, I'll continue to stir until well combined, and now I'm coming in with my sauce just like so. But I'll add the sauce gradually and bit by bit whilst I mix everything together. Okay? So far, I love the color of the chow mein and the quantity of sauce. However, if you want dark chow mein noodles, then add more dark soy sauce. You can even add more sauce if you want a little bit of a soft or soggy noodles. But that's how I like mine. Not too soft and not too hard. Just in between is fine by me. Alright? You can as well use different vegetables to your taste and preference. Lovelies, we are all done making our delicious chicken and vegetable chow mein, and I hope you've been inspired. I'm adding more of my spring onion for color and for crunchiness. Lovelies, a lot of flavors have been thrown on this chicken and they taste amazing. Not only that, this whole dish is a banger. And I hope you give this a try and thank me later. For more of my videos, lovelies, follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next one. Take care and stay blessed. Toodles. Peace out.